Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So as you can see on the screen, I've already did prepare the metals here as you can see on the screen. So let's start the video. So as you can see on the screen, I'm just showing you the measurements that I've used in this DIY today. And these small circles, they are of 35 centimeters. And I did make 6 pieces, and I have these two bigger ones because I'm going to be joining these small ones using these big ones, top and the bottom. And the top one and the bottom one, that is the big ones, are 70 centimeters. So I'm just going to be cutting the excess and then joining the pieces together, but I know you will see as I continue. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us, coming back and watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. We really do appreciate your continued support. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, I feel much welcome. I feel at home. And subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. You can also visit our channel. We have a variety of videos that you can watch and learn or get entertained. Yeah, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like it, don't forget to comment on it and sharing it. Also for the ads, you can just watch the ads, don't skip them. It will really boost and boost our channel, that is. So for this DIY today, my client did give me an order. She wanted me to make her this type of a coffee table. So basically this is a coffee table that I'm making here, and I'm just preparing the pieces as the pieces before joining them. Yeah, so keep watching the video so that you can see all the steps that I've followed, all the materials and tools that I've used in this DIY today. And if you want to do this kind of job, that is welding, you need to have these glasses that I'm showing you on the screen. I have the clear one and this one that is good for your eyes when you're doing this kind of work, that is welding, because when you do it with your naked eyes, you will get affected. That is, your eyes will really pain. So I'm using the glasses, that black glasses here, just to protect my eyes, and then I have the clear ones, that is to prevent dust from entering my eyes. So you need to be careful and extra cautious when using these machines that I'm using also. Yeah. And after I'm through, this is how the skeleton of this coffee table is looking. So now I'm just going to be attaching these pieces here, that is the top, that I can use them. You can see they have holes, so I'm going to be using them to screw down the top, because I'm going to be using an MDF, this MDF for the top. So that one will help me to screw it or to secure it on top of the coffee table. And I have this machine here that I'm going to be using to cut out a very neat circle that is for the top. So just keep watching and see how I'm going to be going about this one. So because I want to bring out a neat work, I'm going to be using this wood filler, this one that we can see. I'm going to be using it to cover the edges of this MDF, just to smoothen the edges, so that when I come back and apply the paint, apply the paint that I'm going to be using, the results will be neat and very, very smooth. So I'm just going to be applying the filler on the edges, and then I'm going to be I'm going to let it dry, and then after it dries, I'm going to give it a small sand and then start the painting work, of which I'm going to be using two types of paint. The first one is the first one is just an undercoat, that is which is water based, and then I'm going to be using an acrylic paint, that is for the finishing. And then for this frame, I'm going to be using this gold, which is kind of brownish. My client specifically wanted that color for the frame, so I'm going to be using that paint for this frame, and then let it dry as I'm going to be dealing with the top. So just keep watching the video, and if you have watched this video till this far, thank you, and don't forget to like it. Just like it, comment on it, and don't forget to share.